In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add a new property inside of Stessa. It's super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Stessa like you usually would. Then from here, you need to log into your account. And from here, you need to go over to the left-hand corner and go over to Properties over in the Menu tab. Then from here, you'll see an overview of all your existing properties. Then from here, to create a new one or add a new one, you need to go up to these three dots over here, right beside your owner account, click on it, and click add another property. Then from here, you need to add the address of the property that you would like to add. Let's say I want to add this one in right here in Santa Monica. Click continue. Then from here, you'll need to add a unit number. Let's just click 7 and continue. Then from here, you'll see a picture of how this property is looking like in Google Maps, and you'll need to add a property type, meaning that you'll need to either select single family, duplex, triplex, multifamily, condo apartment, commercial, or mixed use. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to use single family. Then from here, you need to add in the units owned, meaning how many units of this property do you own. Let's just click 2 for this example. Then from here, you'll need to click continue. Then from here, you'll get this page. Where would you like to start? And here you can set up your financial dashboard. You can track your income and expenses. You can automate rent collection, or you can screen a tenant. Let's click screen a tenant first. Then you'll need to click continue and add that specific property right here. And then click unit A or B. You can also add a new property if you want to do that, but let's just click continue. Then from here, you'll need to scroll down and find your screening that is best suitable for you, and then click continue. But from here, you can go to properties, and you can see that it has already been added onto your portfolio. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!